it was Kenneth McCall Kane that told me, he goes, you need to play your own stuff. You need to do something new. You need to discover who you are as a Hawaiian on the mainland. And that really woke me up. I mean, I was like, oh my gosh, that woke me up. And so I came up with all these ideas, you know, and with Ho'olupa happening and my kids and all these, I wrote this song, and the song is really on how I feel. When I was younger, people would make fun of me because I wasn't from Hawaii, and they would call me all these names. They say, you should be playing reggae, or, you know, that's funny because you sound haole, or, you know, and there's nothing wrong with being, you know, I told them, I go, you know, Hawaiian music is for everybody. That's what I told them. And so I came up with this song because Kamakahi always told me to write about your time and how you feel. So simply, I call this song, How Would You Feel? And how I feel is that I don't care whether you're purple, brown, or whatever. Everybody has the right to play Hawaiian music. We all do, and to share this music to everybody. And I think, you know, this song speaks. I think I've been a closet militant all these times, and I am from Berkeley, so. But this is the song, and I've only sang this song twice. And I'd like to, yeah, Berkeley, you got that right. Me and you, girl. Berkeley. I know, I'm not from Berkeley, I know that. That's right, 72 Alta Bates and Alta Bates. Except, yes, see, Alta Bates, there you go. 1972, I was almost born in the elevator. Incredible, I was. This is a song called How Would You Feel? And it goes a little like this. How would you feel if I came up to you and said that you weren't real? How would you feel? How would you know that my blood's as thick as Mauna Kea snow? If I didn't tell you so, now you know. Just because I'm not from Hawaii doesn't mean Hawaii's not in me. Some time ago, my grandma told me so, that home will always be in me. How would it be if I grew up with my friends and family in Hawaii? Then I wouldn't be me. Here I am now, staring up the slopes of the Ko'olau, thinking about how I feel. Just because I'm not from Hawaii doesn't mean Hawaii is not in me. Some time ago, Grandma told me so, that home will always be in me. This I know, the journey I have made is finally taking me Just because I'm not from Hawaii doesn't mean Hawaii's not in me. Some time ago, my grandma told me so, that home will always be in me. Just because I'm not from Hawaii doesn't mean Hawaii is not in me. Some time ago, my grandma told me so, that home will always be in me. That home will always be in me.